Sayang! Sana nag-invest na ako dati. Ngayon, feel ko, too late na to invest. This is one of the most common statements I hear. But is there really such a thing as too late to invest? I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal! When it comes to real estate investing, many feel that they've just missed getting on the investment plane. Because prices today are higher than when they were exploring 3 or even 2 years ago. But I have to tell you, this is absolutely the wrong way to go about real estate. Because the truth is, if you miss the first trip, there are many more plane rides every day that will get you to the same destination or your financial goal. The more important thing to think about now is how do you make sure that you can get on the next plane ride and be the one to earn from real estate. The first step is to hit the subscribe button to learn more on how you can invest safely and smartly in real estate. The second step is to have the right perspective by doing these 3 mindset shifts. Mindset shift number 1. Investing in real estate is a continuum, not time-bound. Often, we look at real estate as either we invested in it a few years ago and earned a lot in capital appreciation, or we didn't and we missed the plane. But in reality, when you look at prices of real estate over the decades, even taking into consideration the smaller market cycles, prices just tend to trend upward. This is because in the Philippines, there's a real and growing demand for real estate, driven by our economic and demographic fundamentals. But the truth is, there will always be an opportunity no matter where you are in the market cycle. Mindset shift number 2. Buying because of fundamentals instead of buying cheap. Not all properties are created equal. It doesn't mean that just because a property is cheap, it is a good investment. Often, it's cheap because there is no demand and growth potential. Instead, look at the fundamentals. When the fundamentals are strong, like if it's in a good location where there are future commercial, office, and infrastructure developments, you can definitely expect that the properties in the area will grow a lot faster. Instead of getting too hung up on the cheapest property, focus on the fundamentals, because the fundamentals will give you the return. Ask yourself, what will drive demand and cause rapid growth in prices in the next 5 to 10 years? If you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. Mindset shift number 3. Preparing instead of simply procrastinating. Maybe you've explored investing in real estate before, but stopped just short of getting a property. That's okay if you needed more time to prepare yourself in terms of learning more about investing or building your financial capacity. Whatever the case, make sure that you are not simply delaying and procrastinating in making a decision. If you do that, I guarantee you will be telling yourself, sayang, sana nag-invest na ako dati, over and over again. When you shift your mindset, you are actively taking small steps every day to get on the plane and reach your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Now let's put your learnings into action. I know you're excited to dive into property hunting, but hold that thought because success starts with the right strategy. And the truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all strategy. So let me help you create the best strategy specifically for you that aligns with your own goals and situation. Once that's set, let's get you a property investment that fits your strategy and maximizes your earning potential. So schedule a free consultation with me. Yes, you heard it right, it's free. Sign up now via the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.